Hello guys, welcome to Ielts 8 band where you don't have to wait to get the 8. So as you all know that in Ielts examination you are provided bands according to 4 criteria: task response, cohesion and coherence, lexical resources and grammatical range. This video will cover your problem of lexical resources. As to score a 8 band, you have to use the synonyms of the simple words as well as keep in mind that you do not repeat the words again. And if you will follow this video properly, then you will be able to score the 8 band. So here I am providing you with the 30 words which I am sure you would find yourself writing in your task 1 and 2. So without wasting any further time, let's start with the words. The first word we have is country. The synonyms are nation, realm, territory. Second, face, encounter, confront. Third, between, among, amidst, in the middle of. Fourth, people, mankind, individual, human, population, masses, citizens, peers and civilians. Guys, you have to know that people word is I think the most one which is repeated, so you should learn at least 2 to 3 words which are synonym. The other 5th word is important, which includes imperative, indispensable, significant, essential, crucial and pivotal. Experience, involvement, master, wisdom, expertise, proficient. Harmful, deleterious and detrimental. Disadvantages, cons, weakness, drawback, limitations and shortcomings. 9th, a lot of, multitude, plethora, myriad and ample, and as well as abundance. Then is children, teenager, adolescent, youth, juvenile, infants. You have to get this in your mind that juvenile can be for the children who are less than 5 as well as the teenagers, but infants are for the children who are less than 5-year-olds, and the teenagers and youth, you know that they are from 8. Okay, so next one is adults, middle-aged people, grown-ups, elderly and senior citizens. 12th is for a reason. Like in our task 2, we usually say for a reason, because of this. So here you can say consequently, as a result of, yeah, therefore. 13th, encourage, motivate, propel, persuade, prompt, inspire, stimulate, induce. 14th is government, bureaucrats, law enforcement agencies and authorities. 15th is lack of, and the synonyms are scarcity, paucity, shortage, deficiency, dearth. 16th is job, profession or occupation. 17th is poor, destitute, impoverished, needy, poverty stricken. 18th is happy. As you know that happy is really a very simple word, so if you'll write happy, then you will really get a 5.5 band. You have to use a better synonym which also make the examiner think that yes, this person has a good vocab. And here you can use elated, jubilant, overjoyed, bliss, cheerful, exhilarated. 19th is education, and for this you can use schooling, teaching. 20th is good, superior, rational, ideal. Here superior can be used in the places of things like it's of a superior quality, as well as when you have to think about or tell about emotions, like it was a good decision, so you can say that it was a rational decision. Or when it is a good product, it is an ideal product or a superior product. Next is focus, and the synonyms priority, emphasis, prominence. Give, invest, bestow, render, confer. 23rd is criminal, lawbreaker, offender. Dangerous, hazardous, perilous, threatening, adverse. 25th, way, method, solution. Here it can be like the solution to this problem is, the way to this problem is. 26th is transportation, and the synonyms are system, network, facilities. 27th is teacher. Here you can use guide, educator, mentor, instructor, coach. 28th is like. Here you can use really good words like admire, cherish, adore. 29th is student. In the place of this you can write learner or pupil. Pupil is a perfect synonym of this, and you should really use this word because student is a word which is, I think, coming in every line in the writing task 2, so you should really learn this one, like learners and pupil. And the last one, 30th, causes. So here you can write factors contributing, causative factors, like the causative factors of the pollution are, and so on. So guys, these are all the 30 words which I think will be really helpful to you all, and you should really learn these because these are coming again and again in writing task 1 as well as 2. So I will see you in the next video, and every day we post new videos, so please check them out as well. Thank you.